This tile has no business being in this bus, but we don't care because it's gotta go in the bus. Alright guys, today's the day where we get our countertops in. This is crazy. This is crazy. So this is my living room, and it's obviously missing a couch. Now we can't just run out and buy a couch because nothing's going to fit in here. So it looks like I'm gonna be learning how to build a couch. To build this couch, I can't explain to you how many YouTube videos I had to watch because none of us have the slightest clue on how to build furniture. But honestly, during this video we had no idea how to do a roof raise. We still don't know how we're going to paint it. And we definitely didn't think a roof deck was possible. So many things we had no idea what we were doing. But you know, a lot of times if you just commit to a goal and stick with it no matter what, you'll be surprised by the end result. Oh my god, it looks so good.
We built a couch? Who knows how to build couches?